Welcome. If you want to set up screen lock in your iPhone 12 Pro Max, let's go for settings. After that, we have to scroll down and find Face ID and a passcode. Click here, then tap to turn on the passcode. So let's input the 6-digit code and input it one more time. Right now we can simply lock device by power key, press it one more time, then swipe. And as you can see, our passcode is required to open the device. And that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.